Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, that is EdTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very important because we are going to discuss about the agreement and disagreement with the bands that you have received in the speed portal for the financial year 26. We will discuss about the performance improvement plan for employees below any particular band, and rating of 1 or 2 will be landing you in danger or not, and PIP. We will also discuss about double digit salary hikes for the performers. So without wasting any more time, let us jump back to the first important point. The first thing is disagreement with the band. Now you might already know that you are able to see the bands that you have received. You will be able to see the last 5 performance bands, and you can select the year, the financial year 25-26. The bands have been declared. Then you can find the performance band what you are having. It can be A, it can be B, it can be C, or it can be also D. So people who have got A band or B band, congratulations, you will be definitely getting a good amount of salary hike. Definitely TCS is not giving that much salary hike, like 15%, 20%, but yes, you will be getting some kind of salary hike. The second thing that I want to discuss with you is regarding this particular point. Okay, let me open the pointer. Here you can see you can raise a disagreement till 21st of April, okay, 2026, and here you can either accept or you can disagree. Now I wanted to discuss this because there can be a possibility what happened recently, a scenario that happened. I want you all to listen to this very carefully. There was a manager who like told the employee that you're doing a good work and everything that you're doing, the client is happy with it and the management is also happy. I'm also happy that you are meeting the deadlines before doing everything right. So what happened now, that person did not get a good salary hike and that person was put into PIP. What happened basically after that is that the employee who got into PIP, okay, that person approached the higher management and the HR and shared all the emails of the client appreciation, and the manager who gave him a bad band, a bad rating, okay, that manager told him that you are doing good work and you, the client is happy, you are delivering everything on time, and that chats was shared by that particular employee in PIP with the higher management. And turns out that the manager who was doing these wrong things in the IT industry, that was asked to remove that was basically removed from the company. That manager was asked to put down the papers by the top management and the HR, and this person was put out from the PIP again and started with a good salary hike. So the lesson or the moral from this story, or this thing is the actual thing that happened, okay, is that if you feel that you are doing a very good job, if you are not deserving a B band or a C band, okay, or even a D band, then you can click on this disagree button. Okay, now in most cases what might happen is that they might negotiate with you that we will be giving you a good band in the next one, next financial year, but you will not be staying in this particular company, right? By because who wants to stay in TCS, right? But what you can do is you can, yes, click on disagree and you can try to negotiate with the HR, you can try to negotiate with the manager. They will be scheduling a call with you, and using that platform you can connect with them, you can share what are your views and make sure that you have the proof of the certificates that you have received as a top performer of the month, or the top performer of the quarter, or top performer of 6 months. Okay, all these things, pat on the back, all these things, if you are getting gems, make sure that you are having this with you while you are going through this call of disagreement with the manager and the HR. This is going to be of very important. Okay, I know there will be thousands of employees who will be accepting the band, whether it is A, B, or C, or any other band. They will be simply saying that Jane do yaar, why should I do it? It will take a lot of time, and the manager will get into trouble, and the manager will be putting all that issues. Putting the manager will be targeting you if you put disagree button, if you click the disagree button. But that is not the case, guys. You should be aware of your rights, and if you feel that you are doing good work and your work is not as per the band, then please click on the disagree button and try to negotiate all these things, and make sure that you have emails, messages, everything, pat on back, and all those things with you. Okay, I hope that this point is clear. I cannot tell you more about it. Okay, this is the most I can tell. Okay, the next thing that I want to share with you all is that, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I know that almost 90% of the people who are watching this video, they have not subscribed to our YouTube channel. I sincerely and humbly request you all to please subscribe so that you can get regular updates, and it will motivate us to make more such informative videos for all of you. Okay, now next important thing is salary decrease for employees D band and rating 1 and 2. we will discuss this. So associates who have not met the expected standards or of performance, okay, for example, those who have obtained a rating of D in most recent appraisal cycle or have been recommended a rating of 1 or 2 at the time of anniversary review, that is 1 year after joining the company, will be required to undergo a performance improvement plan. Yes, this is true. I have seen some of the people last year whose salary or the package was also decreased. For example, someone having 2 years of experience was given 6 lakhs of annual salary, and after getting this D band or one rating, okay, that person's salary was decreased almost by 40,000, which is 5 lakh 60,000. Yes, and that new compensation was given to that particular employee, which is a very bad thing. This is what I feel. Reducing the employee just because you want to cut off the cost of like paying to the employees, then that is a very bad thing. And guys, if you are someone who is having a D band or a rating 1 or 2, then guys, either you can go with a disagreement, you can go and simply disagree with the rating that you have been awarded or the performance band that you have been awarded with, and you can try to discuss that with the manager and sort it out real quick. Otherwise, there will be no one who will be able to save you from the performance improvement plan, wherein you will be have to learning like a lot of new courses you will have to do, a lot of trainings that you will have to attend in person, office training by the business team or by the technical team, and you might have to go through some certifications also. This is what is bound to happen. Okay, so that is the reason you should please take care of all these things. Okay, now the next thing is that yes, the commentary from the management, the CEOs and other folks came in, okay, like in the last on the last weekend, and they mentioned that AI is doing pretty good. They are having total order books of $40 billion. They are growing at like a single digit rate, but it is good as per the management side. And they also mentioned that top performers will also be getting double digit salary hikes with A bands. Yes, and this is only one good news that I feel about TCS, because other things are not at all good, because the kind of bands that many people have received, almost very few people of them have received A band. The people I know who put their blood and sweat in every meeting, in every project, in every delivery, in every sprint, they are getting B and C bands. So this is very disheartening. This is heartbreaking to see that TCS is giving B bands or C bands or even D bands to people who have struggled a lot, to people who have started the calls at 2 a.m. in the morning, like wake up at 4 a.m. in the morning to solve the bugs, to solve the issues, stayed up all night to fix the issues that the client is facing and whatnot. So with this, I would like to end today's video. Please let me know in the comment section if you have any questions, if you have any doubts. I know that a lot of our viewers will also like answer your questions. If I'm not able to answer the questions, then the viewers, the subscribers, they will also start a communication interaction with you guys in the comment section, and they will try to answer your questions. With this, I would like to end today's video. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is a sincere and a humble request from my side. Thank you and have a great day.